Ano Christmas wish mo sa kanya?
For my Christmas wish for Kuya Lloyd, I wish you good health. I wish you all the success in life. May you continue to affect other lives as well. Parang yung ginimuha mo. So, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, Kuya Lloyd. Thank you.
Awis na ako na iya na nga Christmas nga makamaya na lang nga maubay nga lawas maubay nga pamilya family and then long life and then wish ko gyapon nga padayon lagi hapon ito maubay niya nga kaya sa growth and then next year maabot pa ng mga katulong.
Hi Kuya Lloyd, Merry Christmas. First, salamat ang t-shirt nga mo nakarawat yung mo. Actually, kanan kami malipayon na to. And we were not expecting at to rin binatan. Thank you and I know more blessings will come. Tungod nga ito ni mo pag-bless sa amon gyapon. Ayaw mo family and ayaw mo maging baby, ayaw mo mag-iarambot ni baby. It's my prayer na maging healthy tapos maging healthy po nito yung relationship ni Biggs and more years of happiness sa your marriage. Merry Christmas.
Masagit. Hi Kuya Lloyd, wishing you and your family a very Merry Christmas and thank you so much and mag-give amo na super advance and I hope you will be surprising you with this and I wish you and your family more blessings from God and especially the baby and I know magiging healthy tiya paggawas na yan and to Ate Bikek hapon nga maging healthy talaga hiyagi hapon and let's spend Christmas talaga in a way nga makaka-please kan Lord and I know you will do that. Merry Christmas.
Kuya Lloyd, Merry Christmas and thank you for everything, for your support sa amon and thank you Hanimo Gift and thank you for the banding na for almost 2 years na pag-banding natin. Salamat and I wish you nga maging healthy ka pa ngayon ni mo baby and God bless you more. I know God is happy with your life and God bless ka sa iyong family. That's all. Merry Christmas. Thank you.
And I'm wishing him the best Christmas that could ever have. Yan na nga may dana niya kalugarin nga family. I'm wishing and I'm praying ang Ginoo padayon nga mag-bless sa iya family bisan pa man itong tiarabot ni nga baby. Indeed, God has blessed him with so many things, materially, emotionally, and spiritually. And I think nakuha na ni Kuya Lloyd ang tanan. And I guess God is so happy ito niya kinabuhi yan na. So, amo na tak mayayakan. Merry Christmas, Kuya Lloyd. We love you.
Christmas wish para kang Kuya Lloyd is just have a healthy body, healthy relationship pa yung family, labi na yan ang kay mga anak na ni Ate Bikix. Okay, is pregnant, diba? I also wish for more Christmas bukang para iya and I wish na maging okay yan na father to his son, diba? His son and good husband to his wife and more blessings siyempre always naman. Okay, so and yan, go ahead.
Hi Kuya Lloyd, Merry Christmas. Thank you Hanimo ever supportive nga pagkuhan, pag manage hamon as si Sel and then all I can say is you're a great leader and keep up the good work and may you have a very Merry Christmas and sana imo-wish siya na Christmas matuod and then good health talaga with imo baby and then kay Ate Bikix and that's it. Thank you.
Hi, Kuya Lloyd. I just wish you this Christmas na maging healthy tayo anak, katapos ma-fulfill it yung dreams as a couple and as a family. Nga, tagan niyo ako in chance, tagan liwat ka mon chance si Lord na mag-enjoy hit yung life as a couple liwat na labi na ka may anak na kamo. And I'm happy for you both and thank you tanan-tanan.
Lloyd, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I wish you all the best in life. Nga nahayo nga duwa ni Ate Bix. Actually, pati kan Baloy, kan Baby Lloyd. Excited na kami tiya pagawas. Lord, Kuya Lloyd, salamat ang tanan na imugin imo support, imo understanding gapon. Thank you for all the moments na nakada ka pagpa-realize sa ako na ada talaga he God through you kin-express mo ha amon it but fatherly love. And I just wanna thank you kay han mga moments na dako talaga na problems na share ko imo tapos you are willing to listen para ako nikaw but wall naman saka mga pillars na that we can lean on kung may talaga ng problems. And then ikaw but wall gihap na protect wall of Jerry kapatid ikaw saka wall na protect ha amon in terms of kuan pag sugad we are under attack by the enemy. But your prayers are really strong enough for us to be thankful na ikaw tamang sa leader. So thank you Kuya Lloyd. Happy birthday ngan ninong ako ni Baloy.
I wish for Kuya Lloyd, God bless you more and more, especially nimo upcoming baby. Ilang.
Merry Christmas, Kuya Lloyd!
Merry Christmas, Kuya Lloyd.
Merry Christmas, Lloyd.
Merry Christmas, Kuya Lloyd.
Merry Christmas, Kuya Lloyd.
Tuloy mo. Merry Christmas, Kuya Lloyd.
Merry Christmas, Kuya Lloyd.
Merry Christmas, Kuya Lloyd.
Merry Christmas, Kuya Lloyd.
Merry Christmas, Kuya Lloyd!
Merry Christmas Kuya Lloyd.
Merry Christmas, Kuya Lloyd.
Merry Christmas Kuya Lloyd.
Mas matindi pa next year. So, expect great things next year, guys. Let's praise God.